Most sustainability roles cannot capture all of the responsibilities, requirements, and skills needed in one job description. These roles and the people that champion them supersede any black and white job description. And I think we can all agree here that the job that we signed up for is not the job that we currently do, especially within sustainability. So, for example, as you may know, sustainability programs 10 years or 5 years ago, maybe working on energy mitigation programs or waste reduction programs within an office or recycling programs. 5 years ago, I believe sustainability programs in offices within organizations may have developed ESG reports or sustainability reports that may have quoted some of the UN SDGs. And most recently, I find that a lot of sustainability programs are really interested in obviously staying compliant with the new regulations coming out from around the globe and understanding these new frameworks and reporting under these frameworks. And I just want to say that sustainability in action is rapidly changing, and the people who can make this are more than just an 8 by 11 resume, but are individuals that are prepared for anything that may come their way. Some competencies for success that we highlighted were adaptability, dealing with ambiguity, and problem solving. As you know, sustainability teams are very compact and concentrated, and there's definitely more responsibility than one on their plate. So sustainability successful individuals are more than just a black and white job description.